Outstanding design defines the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.